guys, Big Egg here, and today we are going to be doing a Let's Build. As you see, I'm using a texture pack. It's the John Smith Legacy texture pack, and it looks awesome. I mean, look at this sunrise, and these cows, and everything. Like the clouds, and when it's nighttime, it looks awesome. But yeah, so what we're doing is we're going to be doing a Let's Build on something like a nature, like kingdom, something like that. Let me just cover this up. Not even gonna fill it in all the way, cause that's how we roll. Yeah. So, like I said, like a nature-y kind of thing. Yeah, I think it's gonna be cool. Like, I want like the big, like the head honchos. I always say that whenever I do a Let's Build. Head honcho, like the king or the king of this to live in a massive tree. I was gonna build this massive tree here. Then I'll have waterfalls running down here, and then maybe like kingdom back here. Everything's going to be a tree. So I'm gonna grab a, I don't know, wooden sword to start off with. So slash brush cylinder. So brush cylinder. Okay. So these are the IDs for wood. The woods I want to use because they're weird. And if you want to have a mixture of something, you use a different, like, you just do this. So let's do one and then come on 17:3. Okay. Oh shoot. Oh, and it has like connected textures. So I'm going to do slash undo slash up enter. Sorry, I forgot to. Okay, slash up there. Okay, now its size I want to be 6 right now. Wait, 6, 2. This is what it looks like. Like, this will be like the base of everything. It's gonna be the trunk and I don't want it to be perfect or anything, because no tree is a perfect tree. Alright, let's just that. I want it to like kind of sway back and forth. Here, I want to just slash undo. There. I didn't like that one bit. So as you can see, it's like things are happening, and yeah, I'm gonna like get the base of the tree, like the trunk down, and then I'll get back to you guys. Boom. This is what I want the trunk to be. Now it may seem a little like, seems big but small at the same time, because we'll have to add roots out and branches, but I don't want to go much farther above the world height limit. Well, I'm not above it, but I don't want to like get to the top and boom, world height limit. So next I want to do the what are they called? The roots. Yeah. Let's make this like 3. and change this from cylinder to sphere. Okay, so boom. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. 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 Big root. I am root. And so I'll just do like that. I'll smooth it out with like a smooth brush like later. So I'll do that. Let's go like there, 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 and maybe one there. These massive roots. Might need to get a smaller one just so like I can. Here, let's grab like a diamond sword and do slash up. Instead of 3, let's do 2. And so I'm just like do these finer bits like there and there and there. Here, hold on, let me turn off the music. Sorry, I just can't stand the music. So we got this, so you can go under here, you can also go under this one. Barely. So let's do that. So that's what it looks like. That's what the roots look like. Let me grab another this slash brush smooth up. Oh shoot! Must have accidentally hit the caps button. Brush smooth. So let's just kind of smooth this out, that out. Now I may make it so, yeah, let's just smooth these out more. Looks more like, so it kind of blends together better, like that. Smooth tool's awesome. Just makes, like, you don't want to overdo it or else it doesn't look natural, but you don't want to, you also want to do it so it's not massive spheres everywhere. Let's just do that. And down here, I like it to do it down there mostly because it looks like more like it's going into the earth. Let's just do that a bit. Boom. Roots. This is a very quick build. It's very easy to do. You just boom, loads of that, and then roots are a sphere tool, and yeah, it looks very nice in the setting sun. Yeah, now it's time to do the branches. Which I want like boom, 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 boom. These are pretty big branches, I know, but it's a massive tree. Done. So, okay, let's just do the branch over here. I don't know, like start it there and just bring it up and maybe have it like boom, boom, boom. Kind of twists. Not sure how many branches. I guess I'll have room for maybe 4. Now, I've done builds like this before, but not with World Edit. So I build massive trees and just like takes forever. Let's just add a few like off-coming branches. Because I like doing nature rebuilds. Because I mean, it's so cool. Like, if you can make something like look like an actual tree, and you're like, you know, you're doing well. Then, like, if it turns out really nice, you know you're doing well. Like, let's do a small branch there. Yeah, so we got the branches done. I'm gonna go over it with my smooth tool. Smooth everything out a bit. Point the branches more. Oh, shooting star. Yeah, see, look at the nighttime sky. Like, you have the North Star, the moon, and it has its cycles. And then you can see like little like planets and galaxies, and I think it's really awesome. I also like this texture pack because look at the wood texture is so cool, and just bonk, 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 bonk. Smooth the bottoms out. Now I did have I tried this with World Edit like one time before. I'm not sure if it was just me or like well, I did a brush with leaves and all the leaves decayed, and it was really annoying. I like it kind of flat that way because I kind of want this to be like hollow, and yeah, like the top, the canopy. Yeah, that's what they're called. Tools. Let's grab, I don't know, a wooden pickaxe to be the leaf brush. So I do slash brush sphere leaves. I spelled leaves wrong. It's an A. Leaves, and then I don't know, radius of 2. So this is what you just bonk. Now you have to be careful because the leaves do this. So hold on, let me see. Is it decaying? Let's see, can I see any decay happening in these leaves? No, that's good. Wait, pretty sure I just saw that block decay, but to be careful when doing these leaves. Oh shoot, they're decaying. Slash undo. Darn it! Oh shoot. If you guys know how to fix this, like, tell me in the comments or something like that. Yeah. Me being a noob here, not knowing how to make it so the leaves won't decay. Just move that out a bit. Well, we have a massive tree. Here, hold on. Let's just go plop, plop. Massive tree that has no leaves. Cool. I also, whenever I do this, water, and then here, let me grab some sea lanterns. Sea lanterns aren't the greatest looking in this pack. I just want something that lights up. I guess I'll do sea lantern. So what I'll do is I'll do this, and I'll have break a block. There. Water flows down, and then boom, sea lantern. Oh shoot. Boom, sea lantern. So it kind of looks like the water itself is glowing. Boom. And like when it splashes in the water around here, it's glowing as well. then let's go over here, and let's go, I don't know, there. That will spread down here. Let's just go break. So like that. This way it kind of looks like, I don't know, like water is glowing because it's near the tree, and the tree's giving it like power, and it's good. The water's nice, and yeah. Now you can really see the sea lanterns at night, and it really glows at night, but I was messing around with the timer. Yeah, this one. Boom. See, you can still see the sea lanterns. I might turn the clear water off. That way you can't, but then again, with the clear water on, it looks beautiful. This is what it looks like at daytime. Yeah. Really, guys, if you do know how to fix the leaves, please tell me. I wasn't sure if it was just like the world I was on, or I tried like turning fire tick off and all that, but didn't work. They still decayed. Boom. I like the water there. Yeah. You know, I may go like look up what to do to see like how to make leaves not decay in Minecraft or something like that, because it's really annoying me. So / hold on, game rule caps lock off, do fire tick false. That way fire doesn't spread. So see, also do fire tick false and / game rule. Where is it? Fire spread / game rule. Must not be in this version, or maybe it isn't compatible with it. I don't know. Let's just smooth that out a bit. Yeah, I'm gonna look up how to fix that. Hold on. You see this creeper? Goodbye. Splat. Yeah, I'm gonna see how to fix this, and I'll be back with you guys. Okay, so I looked up on the Minecraft wiki. Leaves won't decay if they're 4 blocks from a log. So if I go out here, maximum of 4 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. This will decay, but that one won't. Or maybe that will decay. I don't know. But manually placed leaves will not decay whatsoever. So I might have to go around and manually do this, which will take like 5 years since how I built this. But yeah, I'll see you guys if I accomplish that. Okay, so this is the well, I want it to be finished. I was gonna put like a roof over it, or well, I guess leaves over it, the top, but that would just be like take way too long, so I'm gonna leave it open. Maybe it's more of a natural feel, like whoever lives there is I guess like he likes the open air and all that. Yeah, I really like it. I was gonna add like a throne room, but I'll do that afterwards, and I might make a banner. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed. Yeah. See you guys next time. Bye.